Good evening, friends. Study with Apala Engineering Geology Parvin Singh book. Chapter 3 Geological Work of Natural Agency. Sigmoidal dunes. A typical sigmoidal dunes is characterized with the absence of a horns of or cups and arc and curved outlines. In its simplest forms, a sigmoidal dune is a steep-sided ridge that extend in a sinus or S-shaped outlines. Both the side of a sigmoidal dunes are steeply inclined at angles of 25 to 32 The longitudinal dunes are also called Seif from Arabic Seif sword are broadleaves of sigmoidal types. In figure, this sigmoidal dunes. So make of diagrams with labelings, wind, and don't forget to make a direction. So learn direction. Okay. So the transfer dunes are generally crescent dunes in nature and are formed across the prevailing winds. Dunes are also classified into simple, compound, and complex groups. A simple dune is a single dunes of either of the above fundamental types. A compound dunes consist of two or more dunes of the same type. A complex dune is a group of dunes of different type occurring in close vicinity to each other in yet another classification. Dunes are distinguished into fixed dunes and migratory dunes. The most dunes are migratory in nature and are in the process of constant advance. The rate of migration of dunes may vary from a few centimeters to a year to many meters in a week, and barkhans are especially known to move ahead at the rate of 25 to 250 meters a month. Hence, barkhans mapped during a particular years might have altogether disappeared from that areas when searched against a few months after mapping. The fixed dunes are those that get stabilized due either to change in the prevailing directions of winds or accumulation of clay along with sand or presence of some weather water in the nearby areas or from a combination of many such factors. These are the the stabilize, established stability stabilized dunes in deserts that may support some vegetation and hence some inhabitations. Lois. The term sluice is used for wind-blown deposit of silt and clay grade particles, and typical sluice is unconsolidated, unstratified, and porous accumulations of particles of the size range 0.01 to 0.05 mm in diameter. The size fractions make almost 40% of a particular sluice deposit, rest being made up of still finer clay grade material. The Loess deposit are considered some most widespread examples of aeolian deposit. They occur in North China, North America, and Europe. Although there are different views regarding the origin and formation of Loess, it is accepted by all that wind play a very prominent role in their origins. Strong wind blowing over various extensive area of desert and outwash plains and soils loosened by pluggings pick up vast amounts of fine-grained particles for transportation in suspensions. When such a dust didn't winds passing over steppes and other flat surface are intercepted by precipitations, they drop their entire loads on the surface below. So this process is repeated year after years. Accumulations of such sediments over thousands of years have resulted in the present Loess deposit of many regions of the world. The Loess of North China is one of the best examples of Loess deposit in the world. These are spread over thousands of square kilometer areas, acquiring the thickness of 200 to 300 meter. It is Loess is that its deposit can be cut easily with a knife. Most of the Loess deposits are characterized with a uh, property of making say nearly 20 vertical cliffs when dries. They are economically very important as they support very fertile soils. And so from a civil engineer point of view, so Lois offers many challenging problems. Constructions of engineering project through them or over them requires very different and careful consideration. Thank you.